the smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We'll learn about the letter C and its sound K. We will learn about the words that begin with K. We will learn the correct formation of K. Let's see the words that begin with K.
Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C is at the beginning of words like carrot and car and castle and cat. Letter C is at the beginning of words like cupcake and can and cone and cap. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C.
Cake, cookie, candy, camel, coat, candle. Now let's see how we can write K. We need to start from the red point and go round like this and stop. Let's do it together. Now let's try with another color. Now let's try with one more color. And one more time. It's very simple. Now you try. This is your day 1 task. You need to practice writing K as many times as you can on your green boards. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On first page, you need to write K 7 times with 7 different pencil colors. And on the second page, you need to write K as many times as you can with pencil. Okay? This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook term 1. On page 1, you need to write K 7 times with 7 different pencil colors. And on page 2, you need to color in K cat and trace K with pencil. Best of luck.
A, B, C, D.